Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your laptop has Thunderbolt 3 or 4 and supports external GPUs. Once done, power off the laptop and prepare the enclosure and GPU. You should have a power supply sized to the GPU's TDP and a quality TB3 cable. Update BIOS and Thunderbolt firmware before proceeding, then enable any external GPU or hot plug options in firmware settings. This reduces connection errors and prepares the system for the physical installation step that follows. With the laptop still powered down, install the GPU into the enclosure's PCIe riser. Press evenly until the PCIe latch engages. Next, attach the required 6-pin or 8-pin power connectors from the enclosure PSU to the GPU. Insufficient power causes crashes. Reassemble and tighten screws to avoid vibration. Connect the Thunderbolt 3 cable between enclosure and laptop's TB3 port. Then power on the enclosure first. Wait for LEDs and boot your laptop so the host recognizes the external adapter. Once the laptop boots, install the manufacturer's GPU drivers, NVIDIA or AMD, so the OS can use the external card. Make sure to accept any Thunderbolt authorization prompts. Without authorization, the device stays blocked. Verify the GPU appears in Device Manager or System Hardware Reports, then configure display preferences or game settings. If the GPU isn't detected, power cycle the enclosure and laptop. Reset the TB3 cable, update Thunderbolt drivers, and try a different TB3 port or cable as a fast troubleshooting step to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.